contact.
Hey guys, today I want to do a quick one here on this crossbar for an R model Mac. So I did not know these were still available. I'm sure this is a reproduction. I'm not sure who makes these, but I bought it from Jones Performance. I'll post the link below, or I'll put it over the deal or right here. Jones Performance, I'm pretty sure it is. It's a truck aftermarket parts supplier. You can buy hoods. That's where I got the bumper. But I did not know you could still buy these, and I think I paid like 125 bucks for it. And they shipped it for free because it came with the bumper. And since that was so big and so heavy, they just wrapped it all up together, which was nice. I was worried I was going to have to try and scrounge a used one that was probably already junk anyways. As you can see, this is a piece of C-channel that I welded on there because when I got the truck, there was nothing. And that's pretty sure how these ended up cracked. That got broken and no one ever replaced it, so there was nothing to hold this from going in, blah, blah, blah. So hopefully this helps somebody. If you're looking for one of these or yours is broken or missing, and for 125 bucks, I think that's a pretty good deal. And hopefully you can save your Mac hood and you can keep another one of these things on the road and not on a boat going to God goddamn who the hell knows. So until next time, stay American, work hard, and have a good time. Thanks for watching.